Hello and welcome to our kitchen garden. Well, today is an exciting day. After months of waiting, I finally get to lift the garlic. But don't just stand there. Come on. Planting my cloves in November, I find the following late May, garlic scapes will emerge from the top of my hardneck bulbs. These are removed to prevent energy being diverted from the bulb. Leaving it another few weeks, the foliage will have now yellowed, giving me the green light to lift my garlic. If you're still not sure, there's no harm in just having a little dig around one bulb to see if it's ready. 4 varieties of garlic lifted, and I couldn't be happier. For years I've grown garlic on an allotment and the results were all very sort of mixed. Good, bad, damp, rot, all those things. However, this is a raised bed full of Dalefoot Compost and all but one bulb. Well, results speak for themselves. Top and tailing my bulbs, I leave them somewhere airy and dry for a couple of weeks. After that, they can be stored in our kitchen or garden shed. And then garlic is on the menu. Thank you for watching. Grow some garlic.